In today's video, we are going to work on basic exercises using your arms and upper body to improve balance, edge control, knee and ankle bend, and upper body twist. We'll start with forward perimeter crossovers into a lunge and 1-foot glide. After performing a forward crossover on the first part of the half circle, step into a 2-foot glide. Bend the knee and ankle of your skating leg while extending your free leg out to the side. Keep your hips over your skating leg, your back straight, and your head up. Move your arms through from sideways, down, forward, and up. As your arms rise, lift your free leg and glide on one foot with your free leg bent and your foot close to your skating knee. Complete the half circle on one foot, then start in the other direction. Do one forward crossover on the first half of the circle, then push into a sideways lunge. Move your arms through, pick up your free leg, bend it at the knee, and glide on one foot. This exercise helps improve power, balance, knee and ankle bend, and also strengthens your forward crossovers. Next, we are going to do same exercise with backward crossovers. Complete one backward crossover in the first part of the half circle. At the top of the half circle, push with one foot and glide in a lunge position with your skating leg bent and the other leg extended to the side. Keep your hips over your skating leg, your back straight, and move your arms through the same way as you did with forward crossovers. As your arms go up, pick up your free leg, bend at the knee, and glide on one foot backward. When you reach the axis, switch your direction and start the exercise from the other foot. Make sure to turn your hips more during the crossover so that your 1-foot glide follows a straighter line across the axis for better balance and control. Keep your shoulders and hips aligned during the 1-foot glide and continue working on power, ankle and knee bend and balance throughout. In the first two exercises, we worked with arm movements following the circular path. In this exercise, we are going to focus on leaning the upper body into the circle after the crossover. We will start with forward crossovers. After executing the first forward crossover, move into a sideways lunge position and lean your upper body and arms into the circle. Then fully straight your knees and bring your feet closer together, performing a 2-foot glide across the axis. Then twist your upper body into the next circle and start your crossover in the opposite direction. At the top of the circle, push with one foot, bend your skating leg, lean your upper body into the circle, and glide until you reach the axis again. On the axis, step into a 2-foot glide with your arms extended to the sides and keep your shoulders and hips square to the axis. Then twist and begin the exercise in the other direction again. These exercises improve your power, balance, and upper body movement. We will do the same with backward crossovers and backward lunges, leaning and looking into the center of the circle, keeping your weight over your skating leg and bending as much as you can. If you are enjoying this video and learning something new, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Also, be sure to check out the description below for details about my YouTube membership options, where you can reach out to me directly with your skating questions and even request a personalized video on demand featuring the skating exercises of your choice. Now we are going to do a series of exercises using just a 2-foot glide, forward and backward, focusing strictly on your arms and upper body for balance and control. We will start with a forward 2-foot glide. Begin by lifting one arm at a time, leaning in the direction opposite to the raised arm. Return to the 2-foot glide position, stretch your arms out to the sides, then lift the other arm and lean in the opposite direction. Next is a similar exercise. While gliding forward on 2 feet, bring one arm up and the other down, stretching and leaning through the side. Look in the direction of your upper body lean. As you lean, slightly bend your knees, then straighten them again as you return to the basic position. with arms out and back straight. Now we are going to try leaning with the upper body as much as you can, keeping your arms down by your sides and working strictly with your upper body. After that, we'll add a dip. Each time you lean your upper body to the side, bend your knees and reach down with your hand all the way to your skate. Then come back into a straight 2-foot glide and lean in the opposite direction. Each of these exercises can be done both forward and backward. You can find more great videos for balance and edge control if you click on the link above or look in the description below. Next, we will work on rolling through the upper body while doing a dip at the same time. Bend your knees and ankles as much as you can into a low squat position. Lean forward, tuck your head down, and hug your knees with your arms. Then straighten your legs, bring your arms up and stretch with your arms extended out to the sides. After that, we'll continue gliding on 2 feet, repeating the motion multiple times with your arms going on the circles. First, we're going to do this exercise forward and then same sequence backward. Move your arms in a circular motion, down as you bend your knees, then forward, up, and finally open them out to the side as you straighten your knees. For more in-depth tutorials and detailed step-by-step instruction, be sure to check out my video course Figure Skating Foundations on my website styleskating.com. It's perfect for skaters who want to build strong fundamentals from the ground up. And if you have any questions about the course, feel free to email me anytime. I'll be happy to help. Now we will try to incorporate arm and body movements into edges. Start with a glide on a forward outside edge on 1 foot. Bring your free leg close to your skating leg, bend your skating leg as much as you can, and lean your body into the circle, following the edge with your arms. Between the half circles, straighten your knees, square your hips and shoulders, and stretch your arms out to the sides. Then begin the exercise on the other foot. Now for forward inside edges, look toward your higher arm and twist your upper body into the circle, leaning slightly into the circle as much as your balance allows. Your free leg should be in front, extended, turned out, and pointed. Your skating leg should be bent at the knee and ankle. For backward outside edges, align the same arm as your skating leg in front and slightly lean into the circle. Extend your free leg behind you, turned out and pointed. Finally, for backward inside edges, we'll do 2 variations. In the first variation, push into the inside edge, bring your feet closer together, lean slightly to the outside of the circle, and look at your lower arm. Then at the axis, switch feet and start on other side. In the second variation, cross your free leg in front, move your arms toward the outside of the circle and lean your body into the circle. Look toward your upper arm while keeping your free leg in a crossed position behind you. These exercises are a great way to build strength, balance, and control by combining upper body movement with edges and glides. Keep practicing both forward and backward versions and focus on smooth transitions, posture, and strong arm positions. Thank you so much for watching. Keep working hard, and I'll see you in the next video.